She also on her phone, certainly looks like it. Yes, she is. Madam, put your phone away. LK22PYO. And she didn't even notice the lights change. And then when I did knock on her window, she absolutely jumped out of her skin.
Wear a helmet.
What's that got to do with anything? In actual fact, the stats show that helmets do pretty much nothing on the population level. And I'm pretty sure that was the Audi who went through the red light back there. Her eyes are down. Why is that? Should you be doing that, madam?
I just picked it up.
I saw it in your eyes. You were moving whilst looking down at your phone.
I saw my eyes from the back.
I can see it in there, in the mirror. I will be reporting it though, so now you have to wait to 14 days. DF21HLD, Hotel Lima Delta. She just picked it up my butt. I reckon she'd been using it since at least the previous time she stopped.